If opening up your closet feels like you're looking at a stranger's life, or if you open up your closet and you have absolutely nothing to wear, you are not alone, nor are you crazy. You're just evolving, and your closet hasn't yet caught up. In this video, I'm showing you how to audit your wardrobe with surgical precision. What to keep, what to release, and what needs a major glow up to truly match the woman you're becoming. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay with me till the end. So here's what most women do. They go into their closet and they try to make it work with pieces that they bought 10 years ago. For a body that's changed, a lifestyle that's shifted, and confidence that has evolved. So here's the thing, your closet might be full, but it's full of pieces that are no longer in alignment. And so here's what I see most often when I'm working with clients. Clothes that are too tight, but you keep them just in case. Outfits that reflect an outdated aesthetic, but you keep them because you spent too much money on them. Or sentimental pieces that belong to a version of you that no longer exists. And this isn't about any type of shame, but what it is about is alignment. What it is about is you understanding that you don't need to feel guilty for wanting to release and letting go of some of these pieces, or that you need to hide. So here is my 3-part closet cleanse framework. And you can do this today. No stylist is needed just yet. So first is what aligns. You're going to keep only the pieces that fit your body now, that flatter your proportions, and feel good on your skin and in your spirit. So if you put it on and you feel powerful, then you're going to keep it. But if you put it on and it feels meh, you don't love it, then it needs to go. The second is thinking about what holds you back. So you're going to remove anything that makes you feel self-conscious, that you haven't worn in the past 12 months, or that you're holding on to out of guilt. You're going to put these in a donation box. You are going to store them so they are out of sight, out of mind, because you don't need daily reminders of who you used to be. And the third thing is what needs upgrading. These are the outdated basics, the stretched out tanks, the dingy cardigans, the dusty t-shirts, the almost good blazers. All of these things, you're going to make a list. And these are going to be your upgrade targets. Not impulsive buys, but intentional replacement. Because you don't need more clothes, you just need the right one. And so here's where it gets real, because you need to ask yourself some hard questions. As you're going through each piece, I want you to ask yourself, does this make me feel confident right now? Not 20 pounds ago, not 10 years ago, not if I can wear shapewear now. The next question is, would I buy this again today? So if you saw this on a mannequin or hanging out at the store, would you actually spend money and purchase it? If not, then why are you giving it space in your life? It needs to go. The third question I want you to ask yourself is, can I wear this 3 different ways with my current lifestyle? Because your closet isn't a fantasy and is not just Barbie's playhouse. It's not just some dream world of where you fantasize about getting dressed. It's for your real life. So if it doesn't multitask, then it does not deserve to have main character energy. The next question, and I really want you to think about this. Am I keeping this out of fear, guilt, or possibility? Because your closet should reflect who you're becoming, not who you're afraid to let go of. So this isn't about just decluttering. This isn't about just doing another audit. This is about declaring your next chapter and making your wardrobe actually work for you and your lifestyle. So if you're ready to do this with clarity, then I want you to download my Effortlessly Elevated Guide. It is linked below, and it's going to walk you through how to edit your wardrobe with intention, how to organize your closet to support your mornings, and how to identify the gaps yet fill them strategically. So if this video called you out in the best way and you asked yourself those hard questions, then go ahead and drop in the comments and let me know, what is one item that you know you need to get rid of? For whatever reason, you're still holding on to it and you have not let it go. We're all guilty of keeping something that no longer serves us, whether that be clothing, people, careers, whatever the case may be. So let's normalize releasing it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you've enjoyed this entire series on just really owning your style as you're going through menopause, or if you are in some early perimenopause stages, then share this with a friend. A lot of women are dealing with how to dress for where they are now because pieces are hot. They don't want to put on too many clothes, but they still want to look stylish. They don't want to look frumpy. So make sure you subscribe and share this with a friend. I'll see you in the next video.